Hi, my name is Trevor. I teach English to beginners, people who are new to English, from age 14 plus, teenagers to adults. I spend a lot of time making my own lessons good. My certified lessons are easy to understand with pictures, and I also write my own books. Lesson 1 is a test. I listen to you and learn how much English you know. Sometimes people start learning English at A1 level, which is hard. I teach A0 beginner lessons from teenagers to adults. It is easier for them. I will show you an example of what a lesson looks like. What country are you from? I am from South Africa. Why learn English? Living in a new country. What foods do you like? Pizza, burger, salad, chicken. What animals do you like? Dogs, cats, birds. Yes, please. Yes. Please. Sorry. No, thank you. Yes, please. Excuse me. I don't know. I have my own alphabet that you can use. 10. T. I give you homework for each lesson. Pictures that you can click on. And extra posters for practice.